everyone, this is dietitian Manju Malik and you are watching Fit Food Flavors. Sometimes the healthiest recipes are actually the simplest ones. So today I'm making a high protein, wholesome, nutritionally balanced smoothie using ingredients that are probably already available in your kitchen. And there's no protein powder, no fancy superfoods or no complicated preparation. Just a few simple ingredients that together gives you a good combination of protein, complex carbs, healthy fat and fiber. It's filling, quick to prepare, works beautifully as a breakfast or even a substantial snack. So let's first look at everything we need. For one serving, we need 1/4 cup of rolled oats soaked, 2 tablespoons of roasted chana, 10 to 11 almonds soaked and peeled, half a tablespoon of 100% creamy peanut butter, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 200 ml of low-fat milk or soya milk, 1 to 2 sachets of monk fruit sweetener, or you can use dates as well. Now let's start making the smoothie and I will explain why I'm using each ingredient as we go. Soaked rolled oats. 1/4 cup of rolled oats which I have soaked for a couple of hours. You can definitely soak them overnight if that's convenient, or just 30 to 40 minutes works. It's enough for hydrating and softening the oats nicely for the recipe. And there's actually some interesting nutrition science when we compare soaked oat versus cooked oats. When you cook your oats with water or milk, the heat caused the starch granules to absorb water and it becomes gelatin. This makes much of the starch more available and accessible to our digestive enzymes. Means we digest it very quickly and end up hungry once again. So simply soaking the rolled oats instead of cooking makes sure that it does not happen. Also, it helps reduce the phytates and most importantly, we are still getting one of the biggest nutritional advantage of oats, that is beta-glucan. Beta-glucan is a soluble fiber that can help improve the digestive tract, slow glucose absorption and improve satiety and support healthy cholesterol level. So soaking rolled oats works really well in a recipe like this. Next is almonds. 10 to 11 soaked and peeled almonds. Almond gives us healthy unsaturated fats, vitamin E, magnesium, protein and fiber. And because they are been soaked, they are softened and blends really nice into a smoothie, giving us a much creamier texture. Next is roasted chana, 2 tablespoons. This is such a basic Indian pantry ingredient, but it's incredibly useful. Roasted chana provides plant protein, fiber, complex carbohydrates, and also makes the smoothie more substantial and helps improve the overall protein and fiber content without having to add protein powder. Next is peanut butter, half a tablespoon of creamy peanut butter. Make sure that you choose a peanut butter that is 100% natural without any added sugar or hydrogenated oils or unnecessary ingredients. Peanut butter gives us healthy fat and some additional protein and that lovely creamy nutty flavor. Now if you're trying to cut down on calories and fat, then you can simply swap it with 1.5 tablespoons of defatted peanut powder. Next is Ceylon cinnamon, half a teaspoon of dalchini. If you're consuming cinnamon regularly, make sure that you are using Ceylon variant and not the cassia one. So cinnamon is also rich in various plant compounds and has been studied for its potential role in supporting glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. Hence a wonderful spice to include in your diet, and it goes beautifully with oats and peanut butter. I'm using low-fat dairy milk, but you can use soya milk. That will give you the same amount of protein, especially the one that is unsweetened and slightly high in protein. Now blend everything on high speed until all the ingredients comes together and your smoothie becomes smooth, creamy and silky. And look at that, our back to basic smoothie is ready. No protein powder, no fancy superfoods and no complicated ingredients. Now to tell you the nutritional value, this recipe is one serving. It is giving you 360 calories, 20 grams of protein, 8 to 10 grams of fiber, 12 grams of fat and 38 grams of carbs. Now to tell you of the health benefits, number one, it's nutritionally balanced as I'm saying since beginning. It's filling, it's rich in fiber, it provides plant as well as dairy protein. There is no protein powder included. It's It's extremely practical, and finally, it's completely customizable. You can adjust according to your nutritional requirements, and that is why I call it back to basics smoothie. If you enjoy this kind of simple, practical, nutritionally balanced recipe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Save this recipe, try it out, and I'll see you in the next video with another healthy and practical recipe. This is dietitian Manju Malik signing off. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay active, and I'll be back very soon. Until next time, bye bye.